What up? Let's talk When the Moon Hatched by Sarah A. Parker. This is an adult romantasy, and it's a dragon book. So, I love a good dragon read. I was really, really excited for this one. I am bummed now that I have finished it because the second book doesn't come out until October of next year. This does end on a cliffhanger. But this has a unique magic system, and it involves fae, dragons. This was really easy to understand. It does take a minute to get into the book for everything to really start piecing together, but once you do, it is so good, and it's much faster paced. There weren't any lulls or anything like that, and here it was really quick read and easy to understand. There is some language that you kind of just like blah, 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 in your head, but there is a glossary at the beginning. I just skipped over the glossary until I needed it throughout the book because it was out of context at the very beginning, so I feel like it's easier to understand once you can kind of flip back and look and see what each word means and look back each thing that you need to know. But it was really, really good. This is a great romantasy. There is a few spicy scenes. There is a lot of like trials and just a lot of triggering situations as well, which I believe she does have a trigger warning page in here as well. But this was so good. A great fantasy. I'm so excited for the second book to come out. I'm ready for it already. The cliffhanger does end just with unanswered questions. Things are finally kind of pieced together at the very end of the book, but you want to know what happens next, like immediately. So I'm really excited to find out more about their story and what's going on. But this was excellent read. It is a little intimidating, but once you get into the story, it's a much faster read, and I really enjoyed this one. I gave it 5 stars.